everyone, my name is Karen and I'm the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what is AP, IB, and dual enrollment. In this workshop, I will guide you through the differences between the three and what you can expect from them. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Advanced Placement is a program run by the College Board. As you may be familiar, the College Board is also the same company that runs the SAT. AP exams can be compared to introductory college level courses, meaning that they are more challenging than high school level courses. And students will receive college credit when they pass the AP exam. Keep this in mind because some students may confuse a passing level grade versus a passing level score on the exam. Exams are usually held in May, and the scoring is on a 5-point scale. Please note that each college has its own requirements and decisions when it comes to giving you college credit for a class based on an AP score. For example, let's say you got a 3 on your AP chemistry exam. Because you got a 3, and 3 it's still a passing score, but because it's the first passing score, you might not be getting college credit for the introductory level course, and you might still have to take it again. Now, I don't want to scare anybody, but that is just something that might happen. So just keep this in mind that each college has its own requirements for giving college credit for a course. Let's move on to IB. IB stands for International Baccalaureate. These exams allow students to take introductory level courses at their high school. As you can see, they sound very similar to APs. And students will receive college credit when they pass the IB exam. Students can only participate in an IB program if their school is considered an IB school. Now, not every high school is considered an IB school, so if you would like to take IB courses, please check with your high school. And students can take an IB course without having to complete the full diploma. Now, the full diploma is a series of courses, but you can just take an IB course if you don't want to take all of their courses. Exams are held in May, just like the APs, and scoring is on a 7-point scale, with 7 being the highest. And just like the AP exams, each college has its own requirements and decisions when it comes to giving you college credit on an IB course. Finally, we have dual enrollment. Now, dual enrollment is very different than both AP and IB. Dual enrollment is applicable to students who would like to get a head start on their college courses. Some high school students are interested in getting a head start on their college courses by taking a course during their summer, by getting started on a course, on a college level course while they are still enrolled at their high school, etc. Eligibility criteria varies between states. For example, some states may require students to be at least 16 years of age. Some states may require a high school student to be a junior, or they might require a course that you need to take in high school before you would enroll in a dual enrollment course, etc. Here are the types of dual enrollment. Courses within your high school. APs and IB courses are also considered dual enrollment because they are college level courses. At your community college, please check with your community college to see what the eligibility criteria for them is and if you are able to do dual enrollment with them. At a 4-year college, also the same goes with community college, you have to check with the 4-year college you are interested in to see if they offer any dual enrollment courses for students who would like to get a head start. And online courses. You can take online courses through the community college or through a 4-year college, but please make sure to check what the eligibility criteria is to see if you are able to enroll in a dual enrollment course. Finally, we have pros and cons for AP, IB, and dual enrollment. As you can see, AP and IB pros and cons are very similar. Some of the differences are that AP is available in most US high schools, and that is a pro. And a pro for IB is that it has global recognition, meaning that if you are interested in enrolling at a university that is not in the US, then they will also recognize IB courses for you. The cons are pretty much the same. For dual enrollment, as you can see, there are quite some differences between the pros and the cons. As you may recall, in AP and IB, each college has its own requirements regarding how much college credit they want to give you if you pass the AP or IB exam. With dual enrollment, a pro is that you have guaranteed college credit, meaning that those courses immediately transfer over to your university. And some cons of dual enrollment is the academic rigor of the course, the cost, and the travel. Because you are not at your high school when you're doing dual enrollment, with an exception of online courses, then you have to travel to your community college or to the four-year college which you are taking this dual enrollment course. All options are considered for college credit. Even though I mentioned for AP and IB during the workshop that each college has its own decisions regarding how much college credit they want to give you if you pass the AP exams, just please note that even though you get a 3, you will still get some college credit. They are great if you would like to stand out on your college applications. College admission representatives love looking at the number of challenging courses a student has taken. They love to see how a student has prepared for college or how they have prepared for their major they are interested in. So these are a few tips to consider. And they will definitely get you ready for college. All these 3, AP, IB, and dual enrollment, are all applicable to give you some college credit. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications from my counselor. It would also very much appreciate it if you rated and review our app on the App Store or Google Play. We very much appreciate all the feedback you're able to give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you would like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And please check out our YouTube page for more workshops. Our YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.